Hi there, this is Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi from Virendra Dear channel. Dear friends, all over the world the message spread like a wildfire that there was a conspiracy hatched by some of the opposition or some of the international terrorists to assassinate Prime Minister Narendra Modi when he was to attend a meeting in Punjab. Dear friends, this was really a golden escape for Mr. Narendra Modi. He was stopped on a flyover so that he cannot make right and left, and he was to be done with from various corners, big trees, big buildings all around. From the bottom of the flyover, 10 kilometers away from the border of Pakistan, this was all the conspiracy hatched by some of the criminals. But what I tell you, this is a democracy, and here there is a too much of tolerance, particularly leaders like Narendra Modi, who is really a true saint. Always he claimed himself Mazdoor number one, Sevak number one. He wants to serve the citizens of India, irrespective of caste, creed, race, religion and region, with a full measure of devotion, passion and love, sacrificing everything, giving them full measure of opportunity to criticize him, to abuse him, and ultimately opportunity to kill him. It is too much. Mr. Modi, I am Virendra Yogi, a true patriot like you, rank of Subhash Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Lal Walpal and all the great people who loved the motherland. But democracy does not mean that we should offer ourselves to these kind of hyenas, wolves, tigers and lions, the bestial people. You escaped because you have done so much good to the people, and so the blessings of these millions and millions of people was with you, so you narrowly escaped. I tell you, I am also speaking so freely because of the democratic rights. We have right to expression, we have right to do all kind of protests, but we have to also learn the middle way. It is the bottom line, too much, and too much of a thing is good for nothing. You have to get some kind of lessons from the history. Abraham Lincoln, a true Democrat, was assassinated. J.F. Kennedy was assassinated. So many great people from India also assassinated. Rajiv Gandhi, Indira Gandhi. You escaped narrowly because it was a conspiracy and you could be no more with us. I love you, Mr. Modi, and all the patriotic Indian loves you because you have been given too much to the people of India. But these, the so-called Kisan, are not Kisan. They are not Kisan. You should have tried to prove that they are not Kisan, but you are doing nothing. They are criminals. Kisan are really honest. I am a Kisan and my whole family is a Kisan. They have no courage to do all this kind of nonsense. How can you block the road of anyone? Not to the ordinary citizen you should have stopped the road. But there have been a lot of instances when roads were blocked. Recently, you see, there was a lot of blockade in Delhi protesting against CIA, CII, Citizen Amendment Act, and so on and so forth. Your road were blocked. Do you think they are patriotic Indian? No, sir. We have to really find the middle way. There has to be fear. Before you speak something and before you act, you should know the consequences. And I suggest you, Mr. Modi, your 20 lakhs of the defense forces, like CDS Bipin Rawat was killed in a helicopter crash, these 14 million army, air force and naval forces could not save his life. It was a natural calamity. But yours were not natural calamity. Once you are going to the hostile states like Bengal, Punjab, and so many other states which is governed by some of the anti-Modi government, they will definitely kill you one day. So you should really don't trust them. You have to learn so many things from Chanakya or Lord Krishna. You have to teach them lessons. You have power, but your power will not save you. How miserable it is to know that you are stopped on the flyover. So sad, Mr. Modi. Very sorry. Best of luck, long live. But lastly, I will suggest you, if you want the country to be stay strong, mighty like Chinese, you have to behave something or sometime like Xi Jinping also. There is no protest. Nobody can speak against the government or the people. Whether you call it communism or what. But this is a good point with communism. Once there was a democratic revolutions, there were tanks running on the roads. Here also there should be something like that. When your people are going, when you are going on the roads, there should be highest speed tanks with all the weaponry. And whosoever come on the road, ha ha, you understand what I mean? हम हैं तो खुदा भी है मोदी जी. Democratic rights is not only for others, but you have also right to protect yourself. So sad. I love you, Mr. Modi, and love my motherland. I love every citizen of India, my sisters and brothers. But I don't love those people who are criminals, those who want to divide the country, and they really play all the gimmicks like a demon behind the curtain of democratic rights. Thank you, viewers. Be great, be brave, save your motherland, be disciplined, respect the democratic values. Otherwise, democracy will never be successful in India. Thank you.